In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your Gmail storage. We all know how quickly our inbox can fill up, and managing storage is crucial, especially if you're bumping up against your limit. So let's dive right in and regain some precious space. First, start by opening your Gmail account. At the top of your inbox, you'll see a search field. This is where we'll begin our quest to free up storage space. In the search field, type larger 5MB or adjust the number if you're looking for emails that are even heftier. This command tells Gmail to display all the emails that are larger than 5 megabytes. Typically emails with large attachments that are taking up a significant chunk of your storage space. Once you have entered this into the search field, hit enter to execute the search. You'll notice that Gmail now displays a list of emails that are taking up the most space. At this point you might want to quickly browse through them to ensure there's nothing critical or important. Once you're ready, click the checkbox at the top of the list. This will select all the emails on the current page. If you have more than one page of large emails, Gmail may ask you if you want to select all messages in your search. You'll want to do this to ensure you're covering all your bases. After selecting the emails, look towards the top of your inbox and click on the delete icon. This action moves those selected emails to your trash folder, giving your inbox some breathing space. But we're not done yet. Simply moving emails to trash doesn't clear up your storage, as they still linger there for 30 days unless we act further. Next, head over to the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. Scroll down a bit and you will find the More option. Click on it and from the extended menu select Trash. This is where deleted emails go to hang out for a little while before they're permanently removed. In the trash, you'll need to click the checkbox at the top again to select all emails in this folder. Once all are selected, find the option that says Delete Forever and click it. This step is crucial as it will permanently remove those emails from your account, thus finally freeing up the space you need, and there you have it. You have successfully cleaned up your Gmail storage, creating more room simply by removing large, unnecessary emails. Remember, regular cleaning ensures your Gmail account remains organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to check back often for more helpful tips.